Hello everybody and welcome to another performance-based question walkthrough for the A+ 1101 examination. Today we're going to be walking through a performance-based question on wired and wireless networks, the troubleshooting exam objective. Okay, let's just click on it and get straight to it. So the question reads, diagnose each issue and recommend an action to remedy that issue. We have an issue with a wireless network and an issue with a wired network. Now, which one should we choose? Let's go with wired. It says, my computer is plugged into the patch panel, but it keeps dropping in and out of the internet. All right, so she's plugged into the patch panel and she's having intermittent connectivity. The key term, intermittent connectivity. That's what that translates to in terms of the exam objectives. Additional information. Okay, so we have some extra information based on that. We have a video of the patch panel. It's not actually a video, it's just a block of text that describes a video, but that's okay, we can work with it. So the video shows the light above the connected cable flashing on and off. All right. So there's a light above the patch panel, it's flashing on and off. Think about what that could mean. The cable status itself. The cable has been confirmed to be in working order. All right, so it's implied maybe they've tested the cable, they've plugged it into a different device, they've confirmed that the cable is working, the cable is not the issue. We've eliminated that potential variable. Available tools. Okay, so we can choose from these tools. This indicates we're probably going to need to use a tool to solve this problem or to see what's going on. So we've got every single tool from the exam objectives. We'll need to know what each one does and choose the correct one for the job and know what to do with it as well. That's all of the information we can potentially go through. Let's go ahead and diagnose and suggest an action based on that. Possible diagnosis: missing packets in data transfer, evil twin attack, connected to a DHCP, DSL connection, external interference, port flapping, short circuit, broken circuit, incorrect AP configuration, or network congestion. Pause the video, make an attempt, and press the play button when you're ready to find out how you did. All right, let's go ahead and find the correct answer, which was port flapping. Pause the video if you want to read what's there as the explanation. But essentially, guys, port flapping, you've got a light flashing on and off on a patch panel. Connectivity is going up and down for some reason. So in this particular scenario, they've already told us that the cable is not the issue. So what that means is maybe there's something wrong with the port itself. That might be the issue. So we've located what the actual symptom is indicating. Now we need to recommend a solution based on that. Okay, possible solutions. Change from an APIPA address, disconnect Wi-Fi and change password, block the MAC address, reduce signal strength, increase signal strength, eliminate VoIP, change to an APIPA address, configure TCP connections to avoid lost packets, use a loopback plug, change the AP channels. All right, what do we think we need to do? Pause the video if you need some time and then press play when you're ready to check in for your answer. Okay, let's have a look. That's right, you need to use a loopback plug. So pause if you want to read that information, guys, but essentially you plug a loopback plug into the port to isolate all other variables and test the functionality of that port itself. So in this case, that would tell us that the port is actually is either working or not working. And we'd probably find that it's not working. So it says proceed to main question. Looks like that is it for the wired one there. We also have wireless. I'm going to leave it there for today. This has been an excerpt from my performance-based question simulations. You can find these over at journeytocyber.com. You have performance-based simulations for motherboards, RAM, CPU, storage drives and RAID arrays, video projectors and display issues, mobile devices, printers, and of course wired and wireless networks, which we just did. So you can grab that. I don't think there's anything else like there out there at this price point. So I think it's a pretty unique product. You can also get my learning guide and my 5 practice exams, each of which has performance-based questions within them as well, but they're not interactive like this one. So I'll see you in the next video, guys, whatever that may be. Stick around, make sure you hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, so we can head towards the Your CompTIA certifications together. Okay, see you later, guys.